There's so much negativity at the dinner table. I feel like
Some of the other couples were very complex by it.
don't worry about what's been said. He's said this, she's said that. I just want to give them the support that they need. Kathy, I think you guys make a really cute couple. It's not I am, we are now. We are Australian. Just give it a red hot crack for the love of God.
Okay, David is talking about red hot crack. Reminds me of the incident of 1997 when I had a ghost chili from my garden, and believe me, I had a very red hot crack. But that's not why I'm here to talk. I'm talking about David touching up my toothbrush with his anus.
Just let there be a love story between the two of you.
Doesn't have no idea what's coming to get him. No idea. David rubbed up my toothbrush with his anus.
Toothbrush. Toothbrush.
Then he used it to clean the graft on the bathroom tile. How dare you? And then the worst thing of all, you film.
My mate's done worse to me. You know why? Because practical jokes, there is no limit.
That's not a joke that anyone that I know would play. Like, that's not a joke. That's not a joke. I'm sorry. He needs to apologise for that. We saw that video of the toothbrush. That was not cool. Like, seriously? Am I the abnormal person here? Like, seriously?
Riddle me this, David. What's a small, soft, and you use it to wash our faccia, your faccia washer, which I used to clean my sweaty ballsack.
Oh no.
His ego just got bruised so badly, he just did the pettiest thing he could. He should just apologise. I don't know why he won't.
Hey, I just want an apology and then we sweat. I don't care.
Absolutely. I am so done, it's not funny. I heard enough.
I'm just so upset that the piece of shit that got the best of me. What an embarrassment.
The toothbrush thing just got me upset. It's wrong.
Vergogna, che vergogna. Now all the community are gonna call me Enos Brett. I can't deal. I can't deal. I can't deal.
I'm so sorry.
Thank you, Connie. It's okay.
I am so sorry.
No, really, Connie, it's okay.
I'm so sorry.
Okay, Connie.
I'm so sorry.
Okay.
I am so sorry.
Stick your f***ing sorry in a sack, Connie.
You didn't use it, so that, yeah, you're fine.
Actually, come to think about it, it's your toothbrush.